So I had to go a little past the road to the road that takes you up to the top of Mount Graham. I had to go back and get a little gas. It was getting a little cold. The temperature seems to be fluctuating quite a bit in this area. Right now I'm at 2,900 feet, almost 3,000 feet. I know this hill is going to take me up to about 10,000 feet. I was just talking to a couple people who live around here. They said I should be expecting temperatures probably in the 20s, 30s, definitely. Hopefully we'll see some wildlife. I heard there's quite a bit of wildlife up here, black bears, deer, that kind of thing. Be nice to see some animals while we're up here. Yeah, so here we go. We're gonna head up Mount Graham, and that is Mount Graham. We're right there. So I think we're getting pretty close to the top, or at least the end of the road. It's getting pretty rough in this last like half mile. Doesn't seem quite as maintained. Yep, this looks like the end right here. Wow. Check this out. Wow. That is incredible. You know what? I'm gonna go see if I can find a better view, because I know I passed one a little while ago. Maybe it was the other side of the mountain I was looking at. That was a pretty phenomenal view. I want to check out this lake too. I think that's gonna come up first. Let's go check out the lake and then we'll see the next scenic overlook. Try to get a better view of this. So the weather wasn't quite as bad as I thought it was going to be up here. I think it only got down to like 33. The black ice warning on probably since about 7,000 feet up. We're at just under 9,000 feet right now. We definitely went well above 10. And it seems like we kind of came back down into this little area here. It's just been beautiful. The paved part was great. A little bit of gravel here and there. You had to watch out for that. Other than that, it was a perfect road. Even the dirt really hasn't been that bad. Super scenic. I feel like I have really been missing out on this area, living in Arizona and never having seen this, because I mean, there's camping all over up here. All these places I could have been camping, and I've never been up here before. now it's winter and it's too late. And like I said, I'm probably not going to be here in the spring to come back, but another time for sure I will be back here. Looks like there's a lot of great exploring to do up here. Definitely, if you are ever in the area, this is worth adding to your itinerary for Arizona. I can't believe it. I've really been missing out on this one. This might be a good overlook here. Let's check this out. Wow. What a place to camp. It's hard to find a good opening here.
This view is incredible. There was a better view though, further up the road. I'll make sure to stop at that one on the way down. Let's see if we can get a better look here. Definitely feeling that altitude. Getting hard to breathe up here. Oh. This looks like a good spot for lunch. Road.
Well, that was a beautiful lake. I am definitely coming back here at some point in my life to go camping there. Some of those campsites just look just perfect. I'm sure this place gets crowded in the summer when it's warm. It'd be a great place to escape the heat in Arizona. So like I said, if you're touring around and you happen to pass through Arizona and you're looking for a way to get out of the heat, this is probably a great place to be. Anyways, that was the lake. We're gonna go check out this overlook I was telling you about. See if we can't find a good view from up here before we get back down. It's getting a little late. I can actually feel the temperature start to drop, so I'm gonna wanna get off this mountain before it gets too cold. Wow. What a day. What an awesome day. I love days like this. The air is so incredible up here. It's like so crisp. It almost smells like snow up here. Feels like it could snow too. It's getting a little windy too. Should be an interesting ride down. Wow. This is definitely one of the scenic overlooks. I think there was another scenic overlook right over there. That one was pretty good. Let's go check that out. See if we can climb up on those rocks over there. I bet that's a good view.
Great name. Trying to get out of this wind for a minute so I can talk. Alright, so that's it for me. I gotta get to the bottom of this hill. It's starting to get a little chilly. It's getting a little late in the day. I need to go find a place to camp that isn't at 10,000 feet elevation. Thanks for coming along on this little adventure with me. I hope you guys got something out of this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you haven't already. That way you don't miss anything whenever I post something new about motorcycles, camping, traveling, and adventure. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.